Why should I not attend my first hearing alone? Attorney William Margolin explains that there is a common belief that you will automatically be denied at your first hearing. The theory goes that you hire the lawyer after the first denial. That thinking is faulty. While it generally is true that your case will be looked at more closely the first time through, a first hearing denial is far from automatic. But being represented at a first hearing is important, even if you lose. That is because your presentation at the first hearing sets the table for every hearing that follows. If your paperwork is not up to par, the Secretary of State is, at future hearings, more likely to be suspicious of the competency of your evaluator. Those suspicions may be completely unfounded, but that does not help you. More important than the Secretary of State's impression of your evaluator is his impression of you. When you attend these hearings, you provide the Secretary of State with evaluations, treatment documents, and possibly letters. The Secretary of State will also have his own documents, including your complete driving record, as well as the arrest reports, tickets, and court disposition sheets from all of your DUIs. At the hearing, you will be placed under oath and be required to answer numerous questions from the Secretary of State's lawyer. You will be questioned about the content of your and the Secretary of State's documents. They will expect your response to their questions to be consistent with all that paperwork. If everything does not match up with his expectations, the hearing officer will, in his decision, essentially brand you a liar. That label will drag you down at every hearing. First impressions are the most lasting. Therefore, even if you hire me after a denial, you, your evaluator, and I will spend a great deal of time and energy explaining the answers you provided at previous hearings. Your chances of winning are better if I am with you. Do not lose sight of the fact, however, that if you are not successful in our first attempt, the issue that led to the denial will almost certainly be manageable than if you attend your hearings without me. This claim may sound self-serving because it encourages you to hire me earlier rather than later. However, my experience has been that the people who have to pay me to attend the most number of hearings are those who hire me to straighten out the mess they made by going it alone at a previous hearing or hearings. Schedule a free consultation with attorney William Margolin in Waukegan, Illinois today. He has over 29 years of criminal trial experience and over 24 years of experience in legal representation for Secretary of State driver's license reinstatement hearings.